In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Systeme.io logo from your sales funnel. This is a quick and straightforward process, taking just 5 minutes of your time. Let's get started. First, you need to access your Systeme.io dashboard. To do this, open your web browser and navigate to Systeme.io's dashboard/in login. Once you're there, you'll see the login page where you'll need to enter your email address and password. Go ahead and enter those details. If you've forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. After entering your login details, click on Sign In to access your dashboard. Once logged in, you'll see a variety of options available to you, and your view may vary based on your subscription plan and usage. Next, we're going to hover your cursor over the Websites tab. This tab is your central hub for managing all your site-related options, including landing pages and sales funnels. As you hover, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. Now click on Sales Funnel from this menu to proceed to the next step. Now that you're in the Sales Funnel section, look through the list to find the particular funnel you want to edit. This could be a funnel linked to a current campaign, a new project, or something you're planning to launch soon. Once you've located it, go ahead and click on it to access its settings. Within the funnel settings, look for the option labeled Edit Page. Click on it. This will take you into the page editor where you can adjust various components of your funnel's pages. In the editor, you'll notice a range of settings that you can adjust. For our purposes, locate and click on Settings. This is where you'll be able to configure specific features and appearances of your funnel pages. As you scroll down in the settings menu, you'll come across an option titled Display an Affiliate Badge to Earn Lifetime Commissions. This is usually checked by default, indicating that the Systeme.io branding or logo would be shown. To remove the logo, simply uncheck this option. It's important to understand that this step requires a paid subscription plan. If you're using the free version of Systeme.io, this option will not be available to you, as displaying the affiliate badge is a way for Systeme.io to offer free support. Once you've unchecked the badge option, all that's left is to click Save Changes. This will ensure that your settings are updated and the Systeme.io logo is no longer displayed on your funnel. Still, keep in mind that you always have the option to come back to these settings and make further adjustments as needed. And there you have it, removing the Systeme.io logo is as easy as following these steps. With this done, you can enjoy a clean and professional look for your sales funnels, all while maintaining control of your brand's presence. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on managing your Systeme.io account efficiently.